Alright, customer complaint, drives noisy. So we're about to start it up.
On the back porch.
Alright, so it sounds like we got a bad road. These are the old wheels we're about to change out. Alright, so this was the bad one. Alright, so this was the wheel that was causing all the noise right here. As we can see, that middle piece fell out on this one. And I don't even think these were the right wheels. But we got the new one on, new idler. This is the old idler. And as we can see right there, we got the new wheels on that one too. So we should be good to go. Alright, so we just got done.
Do you have practice with Sophie's dad tomorrow?
Let's see.